Thank you, Dr. Lewis, for introducing us. Greeting to all our friends in front of us. 9 days ago, my wife Esther fell and injured her knee and ankle. She was not able to walk. So I told her we will cancel this trip. But Esther insists on we need to come. You do not want to disappoint your favorite student. I told her, if you can get well in 5 days, we'll go. Otherwise, we definitely will cancel the trip. Esther started out doing ice massage, hydrotherapy, hot and cold. She took arnica, and she used arnica oil to rub her knee and ankle.
That's enough.
In 3 days, she was well enough to travel. So we're here by the grace of God.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited to be here. A few months ago, my husband Benjamin and I wrote this booklet entitled No Fear of COVID-19, a strong, innate immunity, the best protection against COVID-19. So I want to ask you a question.
Sure.
What is innate immunity?
You did not hear Dr. Jackson's lecture? Anyway, okay. There are two types of immunity. Innate immunity and also acquired immunity, all right? Innate immunity is referred to by Dr. Carlson as natural immunity. Natural immunity, innate immunity means the same thing. Natural immunity or innate immunity is non-specific, okay? Whereas acquired immunity is specific.
Tell us what you mean by specific versus non-specific.
I'm glad you asked. By specific, in the case of acquired immunity, it will attack only special items, special virus, a special virus, or a special variant, nothing else. But innate immunity is non-specific, meaning it will attack all kinds of microorganisms, all kinds of viruses, coronavirus, influenza virus, all the different variants. Isn't it wonderful? Now, the other difference I want to mention about innate immunity and the acquired immunity. The action of an innate immunity or natural immunity is instant, is fast. As soon as innate immunity cells contact with a virus, it will attack the virus right away. No waiting, right away. On the other hand, the cells in the acquired immunity, we're talking about D lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, they have no ability to attack the virus right away. In fact, they're so polite, they want to socialize with the virus first. It will take them 10 days to 2 weeks for them to make the ammunition, meaning antibodies and sensitized lymphokines to attack them. Often at that time, damage has already been done. So I would say innate immunity is
Immediate.
Immediate.
Right. The
Immediate
quick.
reaction.
It's fast.
Fast. But non-specific.
Non-specific.
Meaning it has a broad spectrum activity. Broad spectrum activity. Whereas acquired immunity, action is very, very slow.
Let me ask you,
Huh?
are there other members in the innate immunity you want to talk about?
In
In the innate, there are other members besides,
of course,
okay?
we better talk our first member. We talk about T and B cells in acquired immunity. As said, there are 4 types of cells in the innate immunity. Macrophages, give me another one.
Neutrophils, monocytes, I had to memorize this. Monocytes and natural killer cells.
You are absolutely right.
Right, and so how about, are there other ones,
Other members.
other members?
Oh, yes.
Okay,
The normal flora we have is what Dr. Andrew Pablo called microbiome. Is that right? Microbiome. That's part of native immunity, part of natural immunity. Then I want to mention another member of the natural immunity. It's very interesting, very important. That is interferon. Do you know how the interferon comes about? I know you can buy the
Yeah.
interferon, order it from pharmacy.
no, don't buy it.
$1,200, a tiny dose.
Don't buy it, you're too far away.
It's-
You got to get closer to the camera.
no.
Yeah.
No.
But anyway, no.
Okay, I'll tell.
Okay.
I'll tell. When a cell in our body is invaded by a virus, when a cell in the body is invaded by the virus, that cell will make interferon. All right? That interferon will try to get rid of that virus invading it.
Yes.
Not only that virus, but any other viruses all come around in our body. So the action again here is non-specific, broad spectrum. You know, I used to like to ask a question to my student. The question something that runs something like that. Interferon is produced after a viral infection. Interferon is produced after a viral infection. It can destroy all different viruses. Is this a part of innate immunity or acquired immunity?
I'm not your student, but I'm going to guess.
Okay,
No, I think.
some of the students will say, will pick acquired immunity, you see, we say after infection, as the answer. When they found out that was the wrong answer, they were mad of me. I don't know, Lila Lewis had a problem.
Let me say, I think that's tricky.
Okay,
That's not fair. That's a tricky question. But I think we better get to the factors that will
impair
or harm.
the immune function.
Yes.
Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Because our time's
factors-
running out.
Factors that will, you time it for me. Factors that will impair our immune function. There are 6 of them. I will use 2 words, fat cat, F-A-T-C-A-T, to represent these 6 factors. F for food. We're particularly talking about refined and processed food. A for anxiety. You know, almost all of us are under a lot of anxiety today because of this shutdown and everything. Anxiety hurts the immune function. T, toxicity. We're constantly being exposed to toxic material in our food, in our drink. CAT stands for 3 legalized drugs many people take. What are they?
C is coffee.
Caffeine.
Caffeine. A is alcohol. And T is tobacco. So those are the 6 factors that he made up the word so we can remember, so I can remember. F-A-T-C-A-T. CAT, fat cat.
So if you want to stay healthy, stay away from fat cat as much as possible. Thank you.